Each domino shows 6 dots and there are 4 dominoes. How many dots are there altogether? Let's skip count by 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24. 4 6s is 4 times 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which makes 24. And remember, the order doesn't change the product, so 4 6s equals 6 4s, and that 24 sits in the 6 times table. Here's the 6 times table. Let's say it all the way through. 0 times 6 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6 is 54, 10 times 6 is 60, and the other way round, 6 times 0, 6 times 1, it's the same table. The answers don't change. You count by 6, each answer is just 6 more than the one before. And swapping the two factors never changes the product. 4 times 6 equals 6 times 4. Let's remember, the 6 times table is skip counting by 6. Each answer is 6 more. And the order never changes the product.